Welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Now we are to look for the reciprocal of 0.60 and leave our answer to three significant figures. Now let us write 0.60 in standard form. 0.60. If we are to represent it in standard form, it means that we are going to move this decimal to this point. It will now be 60. It will now be 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. So at this point, we can also write this number as 6 all over 10. So now let us represent it in reciprocal form. This is it. Now we know that for us to remove this sign, this reciprocal sign, which is like inverse, we will now take the top number to the bottom and the bottom number to the top. It means it will now be 10 all over 6. At this point, this sign will not be here anymore. So the next thing we are going to do is to look for a number that will divide 10 and also will divide 6. If we do that, 2 go into 10 will give us 5, and 2 goes into 6 will give us 3. At this point, 3 can go into 5 one times with remainder of 6, 6, 6, 7. So for us to leave our answer into three significant figures, it will now be 1.67. That is 3 significant figures. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow the page, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.